Alright people, welcome to today's vlogging edition. I left my house today not planning to vlog. I left my house today planning to enjoy nature. But I've been so blown away the past days by how, I don't know, this whole 4 seasons thing. You know, summer, autumn, spring. This autumn or fall or whatever you call it is hitting me differently this year. Like the trees are just coloring themselves. I am bamboozled. So I left my house today to go enjoy nature, you know, enjoy the trees, enjoy the sun. The skies are blue. Damn, you can't even see one cloud. But yeah, so guys, I'm maybe gonna be showing you guys snippets of how beautiful it is, man. It is just beautiful. And for those who know me, I don't even I did not previously enjoy nature like that. So for me to leave my house on a Saturday morning and go in search of nature, that is pretty weird. So yeah, guys, I don't even know if I'm gonna post this, but if I do, enjoy. No, but guys, on a more serious note, look at how many colors these trees have. Red, that one is yellow. Can someone take a look at this? This is absolutely beautiful if you ask me. So clean. Guys, piece of advice, when you go into nature, when you go into the bushes, not all plants are your friends. Some will leave you in pain. It's a ghetto. Damn, I hope you guys can see this, right? Guys, in this life, not everyone is running the same race. You see here? These ones are green plants, green trees. And we turn over to the other side of this pad. My brothers have given up. Guys, in this life, we are not running the same race. Just run your race and not focus on other people. You understand? Yeah, let's keep going. Let's keep moving. Guys, you see, this is why I'm not cut out to be a vlogger, right? Because being a vlogger entails taking risks, going the extra mile, right? And you see, for me, this thing, right? Like, I can't go further. I can't risk my life like that. You know, for those of you, I can't swim because I'm learning. I'm in the process of acquiring my swimming skills. But at the moment, I'm not there yet. So, of course, I would like to go further on this thing so I go deeper and have a better view. But for today, we're not going to do that, guys. So, yeah. Let's just return to where we came from. It was good while it lasted. You're just wandering nature, and then you have this. Can someone please explain to me what this is? In the middle of the bushes. And I bet this is probably very significant. Like if you ask some historian, they're gonna tell you this was where, I don't know guys, make up something. But the way the sun is hitting this thing though, I like. Oh yeah guys, and by the way, I am not vlogging with shades, if you're wondering, just my lens, my glasses, that color up. So I take them out, I can't see crap! So I gotta keep them on guys. Sorry for that if I look so unapproachable. I am approachable, I just need to have them on. And unfortunately, they cannot stay clear when the sun is out. I feel like the camera is not doing it justice, but guys, The view up there, absolutely magnificent. Guys, one extra benefit I've realized, I've noticed for myself from working in these bushes, it really takes me back home, guys. Look, all this small paths and bushes on the side and the sun just hitting right. Guys, it just takes me back. And I get so emotional. I feel like I want to cry. No, I'm not going to do that. Sorry, it's not that deep. But I'm enjoying it though. I'm loving it. Guys, they're giving up. It's a tough life out here. Hi guys, so we got company on our nature vlogging today. It's Bakunda on the beat. What do you have to say for the fans?
Guys, the sun is out.
It really is out. It's hitting right.
Out.
It is out.
We're not wearing jackets.
But you're wearing jackets.
Okay, this is not a
Alright, we move.
It's a good day to be alive. Go out there and be great.
Amen.
Live every single moment.
Amen. Tell them,
Live
Rita.
in the present.
Tell them.
Not the past, not the future, but the present.
Amen. On a second note, guys, when I was a kid, walking on bridges, I would piss my pants when I'm walking on bridges. I know this bridge is so high. What happens is that the bridge just malfunctions.
The water.
That's it, guys. That's the end of my story. But we're not gonna think about that because it's a good day. Have a good day.
Hello.
Guys, there are so many colors happening here. I don't know if you can actually see it. Just look at this.
A walk in the nature. Why are you running? Why are you running?
Guys, today it's all about these trees. And these trees, I don't understand what is happening to these trees, but they're just manifesting themselves in different ways. I feel like the colors are trying to communicate something. But guys, it's amazing to see. It is just, Mother Nature is just mind-boggling. Boggling. Okay, so now, of course, we can't finish our Maastricht in nature tour the ghetto, without going to St. Petersburg. So right now, I'm on my way to go check out what St. Petersburg has to offer on this sunny autumn day. Alright guys, so like I said, this was a spontaneous vlog, so of course I can't travel through the whole Maastricht. But that was it, pretty much. At least I touched the places I was hoping to touch today. And it is beautiful, guys. It is beautiful. The colors, the manifestation of the trees. I don't know what they're trying to communicate, but I feel like they're trying to say something, right? But I'm listening. Eventually I'm going to hear it. I hope you all are listening out there too, because this trees and Mother Nature is really trying to say something. All right, guys, but that was it for today. I need food. So I'm going to look for food. And that was it for our edition of Maastricht in nature, or nature in Maastricht, whatever sounds right to you. But it was a spontaneous vlog, so I couldn't do much. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs, guys. I don't know if this thing is my thing, but we'll see about that, right? But until the next time, enjoy, guys, and stay healthy.